Hi, welcome to the studio where I will show you how to set up Klaviyo with Shopify. This is a email marketing tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. First of all, open your Shopify admin page and click on the apps button. After that, click on customize your app button. Now search for Klaviyo in the search bar and add app in the Shopify and install the app. Now create an account on Klaviyo and here the admin page is open. First of all, click integrations button and put your store's URL here. Now click on lines and segments from the left bar and click on create list or create segments button. Now you have two options, click list. After clicking the list button, add the name and tags and click on the create list button. Now click on quick ads button and fill this bar and click on add subscriber. Now here you see the subscribers. Click on the campaigns button and now click on create campaign button. After that, choose email option and click on create campaign. Here you have to fill the campaign information and click continue. Now fill the campaign content. Here are three options. Choose drag and drop. It opens a theme library. Choose the logo for email according to the need. Here you have all the options to edit. Change color, size, add options and all. Then click to save. After clicking the save button, click to content preview button and now preview all the changes once and click schedule or send. You have two options, choose accordingly. Now click flow button. Here you will see all the activity of customers and all. After that, go to integrations button. Here you see all the integrated apps here just like Shopify. Now go to Shopify admin page and click on the apps button. And now click on Klaviyo. If you want to uninstall the app from Shopify, click on delete. So go to Klaviyo, add subscription list with the subscriber which you have earlier. Now click on the update settings button and click on the update integration button. So yeah, and here integration is complete. Klaviyo with Shopify. That's how you will add Klaviyo with Shopify email marketing tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.